Are the Acer Chromebook Spin 513 good? Chromebook Spin 513 from Acer checks all the boxes for a desirable Chromebook. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7C processor makes this an ARM Chromebook, which should outperform devices such as the much-loved, but quite underpowered Lenovo Chromebook Duet. This is a compact 2-in-1 Chromebook, featuring a full 360-degree hinge that provides maximum versatility. The device also functions as a solid, if large, tablet when fully rotated. It is not a small device, but it provides an excellent reading experience for books and magazines, and the Android apps that you can download from the Play Store work better on a touchscreen. Unlike Windows 10 on ARM devices, Chrome OS has been optimized for ARM processors for quite some time, and the Chromebook Spin 513 can still launch a Linux virtual machine just like any other Chromebook. The Chromebook Spin 513 has an impressive battery life, and performance is good, but a similarly priced Intel-powered Chromebook like the Lenovo Flex 5 is significantly more impressive. Although Chromebook Spin 513 is a good Chromebook, it is not necessarily the first you should buy, but if you're looking for a laptop for $500 or less, it should be on your shortlist. Chromebook Spin 513 is priced at just £399/$399/560 Australian dollars, and it includes plenty of features. It appears to be one of Acer's mid-tier ultrabooks, with a thin metal chassis and a full HD touchscreen with slim side bezels. Thanks to a cleverly curved bottom panel, the sides of the laptop taper to their thinnest point at the front, allowing the back to be thick enough to accommodate ports. It does not come with many ports, but there are 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Since power is delivered via USB-C, you lose one if you are charging, but you can charge from both. Chromebook's keyboard feels firm and clicky, and the trackpad is equally impressive. Due to its Gorilla Glass cover, the surface is completely smooth and it has a very strong clicking action. As one of the benefits of the Acer Chromebook Spin 513 is its fully convertible display. At 13.3 inches and a resolution of 1080p, it's the ideal size for consuming media and playing games. Additionally, the Chromebook Spin 513 comes with only 64GB of M storage, which is insufficient for most Chrome OS operations. The speakers on the hardware are also disappointing. Generally, web browsing is fine unless you overload Google Chrome with too many tabs. Android apps run smoothly despite the no fan noise and long battery life, and the Chromebook Spin 513 performs admirably in most tasks that most Chromebook users may need it for. Even so, the Snapdragon 7C is still well behind the Intel Core i3 in terms of sheer power. The Chromebook Spin 513 consistently falls behind the similarly priced Lenovo Flex 5 with 4GB of RAM and an Intel Core i3 processor of the latest generation. Even with that gorgeous 1080p display, the ARM processor uses less energy. At 50% brightness, our video test had a battery life of 12 hours 26 minutes. Even under mixed-use scenarios, where users consume media, use the Chrome browser often, and use Linux apps extensively, the battery life was 9 to 10 hours, which is still sufficient to get an entire day without recharging. Chrome OS is also regularly updated, and Android 11 has recently been added to the software, resulting in better compatibility with apps downloaded from the Google Play Store. When reverting to another operating system, features such as instant tethering and password-free unlock are easily missed. In contrast to a comparable Windows 10 laptop with a similar price point, the Chromebook Spin 513 boasts significantly better performance and reliability thanks to Chrome OS.